Bro, Sharan, how much money should I invest in gold? So gold is a good hedge against stocks, meaning when stocks go down, gold goes up, thereby balancing your returns. So it's a good idea to invest about 5 to 10% in gold. Oh wow, dude, I'll go buy them. Where are you going? My mom is going to Arbor and Jewellers, so I thought I'd buy a nice gold chain. Bro, that's the worst way to invest in gold. You lose about 12% in making charges alone. Okay, so what should I do then? So if you can keep your money locked in for more than 5 years, then sovereign gold bonds are the best way to go because they give you about 2.5% interest rate. If you can't hold it for that long, then digital gold and gold ETFs are alternate options, but they don't give you that extra 2.5% interest rate.